This question was asked in exam. Given Bowley's coefficient of skewness is minus 0.8, Q1 is 40, Q3 is 60, find Q2. Always remember Q1 means lower quartile, Q3 means upper quartile, and Q2 means median. We also write it as a M. Fine. Now to solve this, there is a formula. Okay. So write Bowley's coefficient of a skewness is equal to Q3 plus Q1 minus 2Q2 divided by Q3 minus Q1. Now what they have given? Minus 0.8. Q3 is how much? 60 plus Q1 is how much? 40 minus 2 Q2 divided by 60. Q1 is 40. Fine. Now write this minus 0.8 as it is. 60 plus 40, 100 minus 2 Q2. 60 minus 40 is 20. Multiply these two. Okay. So if you multiply, you will get how much? 16. Okay. 100 minus 2 Q2. I hope till here you have understood. Now take this minus 2 Q2 on the left hand side. It will become plus. This is 100. Take this minus 16 on the right hand side. It will become plus. Fine. After this, Q2 is equal to, add this, it will be 116. This 2 goes to the denominator. So 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16. So your Q2, or you can tell median value, is 58. I hope you understood this sum. Let's move on to the next sum. Now the next question is, for a distribution, Bowley's coefficient of skewness is how much? Minus 0.36. Lower quartile is 8.6, median is 12.3, find upper quartile. You should know what is lower quartile. Lower quartile means, remember this, it is Q1. Median means you have to write a Q2. Upper quartile means it is Q3. Now there is a formula to solve this. Okay. Bowley's coefficient of a skewness is equal to Q3 plus Q1 minus 2Q2 divided by Q3 minus Q1. Now what is this? Minus 0.36. Q3 you need to find out, plus Q1 8.6 minus 2 into Q2 is 12.3 divided by Q3 you need to find out again, minus Q1 is 8.6. Fine. Now cross multiply these two. Minus 0.36 Q3 minus 8.6 is equal to Q3 plus 8.6 minus 2 3s are 6, 0.22s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Fine. Now multiply this inside the bracket. Minus 0.36 Q3 minus into minus will become plus. Now if you multiply these two, you will get 3.096. Fine. And then next, right here Q3, subtract these two. If you subtract, you will get 19.09. It's not 19. It's not 19. Wait. So if you subtract 24 from 8.6, then you will get 16. Now minus 16, take to the left hand side, it will become plus 16, and write this as it is. Now there is a Q3 minus, when goes to the right hand side, it will become plus 0.36 Q3. Now add these two, you will get 19.096. Now add these two. If nothing is there means it is considered as a 1. So 1.036 Q3. Now divide these two. 19.096 divided by 1.036 is equal to Q3. Now here you have to divide these two. Once you divide this with the help of calculator, you will get 14.04, that is Q3, nothing but a upper quartile. I hope you understood this sum very well. Let's move on to the next sum. Now here the next question is, in a distribution, sum of lower and upper quartile is 40. Now sum means it is Q1 plus Q3. How much? 40. And their difference means Q3 minus Q1 is 16. Let me write here like this. Why? Because this is upper quartile and this is lower quartile, sum. And this is upper quartile minus lower quartile. This is difference, is 16. If the median, always remember median means it is Q2. How much? 18. Find the coefficient of a skewness. Now remember, every time they won't give Bowley's coefficient of a skewness, they will just give coefficient of a skewness. You should know that this is this formula itself. So what is the formula for this? It is Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 Q2 divided by Q3 minus Q1. Now you can see here, sum, it is how much? 40. Median is nothing but Q2, it is 18. Difference means minus how much? 16. Fine. Now 40 minus 18 2s are 36 divided by 16. Fine. Now 40 minus 36 is 4 divided by 16. Now 4 1s are 4, 4s are 16. So 1 by 4 is nothing but 0.25. I hope you understood this sum. Let's move on to the next sum. Here the next question is, in a distribution, the coefficient of skewness based on the quartiles is 0.6. If sum of upper and lower quartiles, you should know that upper means it is Q3, lower means it is Q1, quartiles is 100. Means Q3 plus Q1 is equal to 100 because it is a sum. Median, always remember median means it is Q2. How much they have given? 38. Find the value of a upper quartile, that is Q3. You need to find out the Q3 value here. Now to solve this, there is a formula, and the formula is Bowley's coefficient of skewness is equal to Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 into Q2 divided by Q3 minus Q1. Okay. Now what is this coefficient of skewness? It is 0.6. Q3 plus Q1 is nothing but sum. Sum of upper and lower quartile is 100. So I am going to write 100 here. Minus 2. Q2 is nothing but median. It is 38. Now we need to find out Q3. But they did not give Q1 value also. What you have to do is take this Q3 on the right hand side. So Q1 value will become 100 minus Q3. I have taken Q3 on the right hand side. Okay. Let me repeat. Q3 plus Q1 is equal to 100. I have taken Q3 on the right hand side. It has become minus. So in place of Q1, I must write this. So let me write Q3 as it is because I need to find out that Q1 value is 100 minus Q3. Okay. Now write this 0.6. 100 minus 2 8s are 16. 1 2 3s are 6. It is 76 divided by Q3. Take this minus inside the bracket. Minus into minus is plus Q3. Fine. Now Q3 plus Q3. Q3 plus Q3 will become 2Q3. So I am going to cross multiply. So how much it will become? 1.2. If you multiply this, right here Q3. So 100 minus 76 will become 24. Fine. Now Q3 is equal to 24 divided by 1.2. Sorry, let me explain once again. 100 minus 76 is 24. Q3 plus Q3, I have written 2Q3. Okay, minus 100, cross multiply. 0.6 2Q3 minus 100 is equal to 24. Fine. Now next. Now if you multiply this, it will be 1.2 Q3 and this will be minus 60 is equal to 24. Take this minus 60 on the right hand side. It will become plus 60. 1.2 Q3 minus 60 goes on the right hand side. Now 1.2 Q3 is equal to 84. Now Q3 is equal to 84 divided by 1.2. With the help of calculator, if you divide this, then you will get a answer as a 70. That is upper quartile. Minus 60 goes to the right hand side, it will become plus 60. 60 plus 24 is 84. This 1.2 goes to the denominator. 84 divided by 1.2 is 70. Find the value of upper quartile, that is Q3 is equal to 70. I hope you understood this very well. Try practicing this sum. Thank you for watching.